and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this colorful outline text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and I'm just going to type in the word 3D because why not? And I'm also going to use this font. You can use any font that you'd like to. I'm also going to choose any color that I want, but for the base I'm just going to choose this pink color. Copy and paste it, and you're going to select this preset style and just go down to stroke and adjust the thickness. And for the second color, I'm going to choose this purple. I'm going to move it to the left a little bit, copy and paste that, and I'm going to again move it to the left ever so slightly, and I'm going to go down to the strokes button, and I'm also going to change it to this yellow color. And go and copy and paste that again, and move it to the left side. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select again another color. And I'm going to do it one last time. You don't have to, but I'm just going to add another one here. Go to color and I'm going to select this green. Once you're done, select it one by one to create compound clips like this. Then go to each one and go to blend mode and select screen, and you're going to do that for every word you have essentially. And that is basically it. You can move them closer to each other if you want to, but I like it like this. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!